Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my current favorites. This isn't like just a month favorite. These are kind of my favorites I've been using over the past couple months since we've been home and been able to just hang out around the house. I have found a lot of new like skincare products, some makeup products, but I haven't done like a full face like this, every day. But I do have a lot of stuff to share with you that I can't wait to let you guys know about. And I am so interested to know if you guys have discovered a product while you've been at the house and staying home. Let me know down below in the comments. I would love to hear what it is. We're just gonna go ahead, hop on into this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's go ahead and start off with makeup, and then we'll move into skincare, body products, things like that. So first thing is I have been wearing lashes again. Whenever I do want to do a full face makeup, if I'm doing a vlog or doing a post or something like that, I of course put on full face of makeup, and I have been back on my Lily lashes. I love Lily lashes. I kind of, experiment with different brands, but I feel like I always go back to this one because I just love how fluffy they are. They're just beautiful, beautiful lashes. I'm actually wearing these right now. These are in Lila, and these are great lashes for day 2 night, depending on what you like how bold are you willing to go. So these are like my daytime lashes for sure, and then I really amp it up with something else in the nighttime, or I used to, I haven't gone anywhere, but I used to really amp them up. I still love a good dramatic lash, but these have definitely been my go-to in quarantine and just getting some work done, putting makeup on. I love these, and Lily Lashes is a really great brand. You can use them over and over and over again if you take care of them. They're expensive, but definitely worth it, and I had lash extensions for the longest time, but I cannot say I'm gonna go back. I've been loving wearing lashes again. It's been like my go-to thing. Okay, next up. This isn't a brand new favorite, but I have been loving this now that I'm back on lashes and like I'm wearing liner more. It's the Pat McGrath Perma Precision Liquid Liner. This is a great liquid liner. It is very black. It has a great felt tip too. I'm just a felt tip lash lover. Like I've never really loved brush liquid liners because I don't know. I feel like sometimes if I do it wrong and I flick it wrong, it like flicks liner on my lid. I hate that. Felt tips are usually the way I like to go. And this one is flexible. It's a little bit longer, I feel like, than your average felt tip, and it's very, very black. So I love this one. I have it on now. I actually need to get another one because this one's kind of drying out. I've had it for a little while, but I'm obsessed with it. It's like the best liner ever. All right, next up. Okay, I want to mention a really quick favorite. I'm back on the Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation. Ever since I tried it in my last video, which that video was filmed months ago, I have been using it ever since. I've also been using some other things, but when I want to do a full face and I really just want everything on nice and matte, full coverage, I'll use this Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation, and it's great for oily skin. It is matte, as you can see here on my skin, and the shade I'm wearing right now is Warm Beige. This is like my favorite shade. So I love this. Had to get back on it. It's a really good foundation. It doesn't like accentuate your pores, your lines, anything like that. It looks so beautiful. Let's talk about a good day-to-day foundation. I love this. I've worn this to the lake a few times. I wear this on days when I don't want to do a full face. I want something very quick. This is so good. This is a new found love. It is from Ilia, I think it is. I should probably look up how to, say the name of it, but the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint SPF 50. It has squalane, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide, something else in front of that. I don't know, but I'm obsessed with them. You can kind of tell by the bottles. Maybe my camera's washing them out, but like they're super dirty. Basically, you just shake these and you put them on your skin. I got this because it's kind of like my last step in my skincare routine. It has the SPF in there. So basically what I'll do is I'll put my under eye cream on, a little bit of my moisturizer as well. I always feel weird not having moisturizer, but then I put this serum on top of that. Since it is colored, sometimes I'll skip the moisturizer. It depends on how much time I have. I actually was using this before everything happened and we had to stay home because I wore it to a workout class, and it lasted really well. And that was the moment where I was like, oh, this is probably going to be a good summer favorite. Like I said, you shake it up, put on your fingers, rub it in. So sometimes I'll just drop it on my face and take a sponge and blend it in. Sometimes I'll use my fingers. Again, it just depends on how much time I have. This has a good medium to full coverage, more on the full side for a serum product. And even though it does have the hyaluronic acid in there, which I do love hyaluronic acid, but with my oily skin, it's not something I always want for a foundation because I get very oily. You are very shiny with this if you're oily once you put this on, but if you just set it with a powder, you'll be completely fine. So I'll usually just do concealer after I've done my moisturizer, and then I'll go in with this, and I blend it all at the same time. So it's all very seamless, very quick, super easy to do. I go between 2 different shades. So Kokini is one and Palnoma is the other. So I have like a more tan shade and a more light shade, and I just customize based on my self tan and what's going on. This is so good. Another good thing to pair this if you want a really quick face, like this is something I would throw on powder go. Literally, like I'm not exaggerating that. I would actually do that. But another thing that goes very well with that, if you just need a little bit more bronze in your life, you know, it's summer, it's this new Fenty Beauty Cream bronzer. Oh, you guys. I am obsessed with these cream bronzers. I'm thinking about trying the cream blushes too. I always gravitate towards bronzers when it comes to creams, not necessarily blushes, because I'm not a big cream blush fan. But since this product works so well and I've been pairing it with these serum foundations, I'm like, or it's not a foundation, I'm sorry, serum skin tint. Let me get that straight. I've just been loving it. And I'm like, what if I added a little blush? And I was good, because I have found I can apply the skin tint, use this all over the face if needed to really warm up the complexion, set it with a powder, and then I don't need powder products after that. Sometimes I add a highlight, sometimes I don't. It depends on what I got going on. This product blends really well. I use the shade Honey Glaze. This is like my favorite color. This is perfect for me. I love the packaging of this as well. It does last all day long too, especially when you're out in the sun, at the lake, whatever you're doing. I just took the seal off. It is so nice. And the way I like to apply it is actually with a brush. So I just use a small stipple brush. It's from MAC. I'll try to leave it here in an annotation. I cannot remember what the name of it is, but I'll use that with this, buff it out. And when I buff this out, it doesn't like move my skin tint and it doesn't move the foundation. I have used this with the Too Faced one and it works really, really well. I've also applied this onto my lids as well, just for something really quick. And I've just been really enjoying it. So this cream bronzer is now one of my new favorites, my go-tos. I have to wear it. It's just so awesome. I love how it warms up the skin. This color, so pretty. I think I just have a couple more makeup favorites. I do. Okay. The first one is one that I was really surprised about. I had thought I had tried this before, but it was not like this. It must not have been this palette. I think I just tried maybe an Hourglass Trio before and I just wasn't obsessed with it, but this one, I think it was like face powders and people were like, oh, you can highlight with it. And it wasn't my cup of tea. But I saw this guy and I have been obsessed with it ever since I got it. It is the Ambient Metallic Strobe Lighting Palette. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. I have it on today. It's not like too in your face, but it looks so beautiful. It just melts into the skin and really gives you an intense glow. I love them so much. They're really easy to blend out. They have a really great high shine and there's 3 of them. So I love this. I don't know where I've been, if this is like brand new or something, I'm not sure, but go get it. If you love highlighters, this is a beautiful one to have in your collection as well. Last thing I want to mention is another great summer find if you have oily skin. It is the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist. This is good, but you have to have very oily skin to use this. I feel like if you even have normal to dry skin, you're gonna be like, whoa, way too matte. The formula of this, I kind of showed it in my last video, and it's like right here on the cap. I'll see if I can try to show you guys. It's a thicker formula and it has like a white consistency, but it doesn't leave white dots all over your face. It blends really well into the skin, but this will mattify the crap out of your makeup. So one thing that this would be good for is if they had like a travel size and you could put this in your purse and, you know, spray throughout the day. I feel like that would be amazing. So Morphe, if we can get some travel size one of these. But yes, it does what it says. It for sure mattifies the skin and it keeps you matte. I would definitely add highlight if you're going to completely use this all over your face, just to give yourself a little bit of glow and like not look so flat. If you have oily skin, you've tried this out, let me know how you like it, because I didn't know about it at first, and when I saw the formula I was like, but it works. It really does, and I like it a lot. And I've tried the Urban Decay, was it Ultra Matte one, and this one is definitely my favorite. All right, moving on to skincare, body stuff. I'm not wearing makeup like the serum skin tint, and I just need something quick for the day. I need a SPF, get it on, get out. I will use this First Day Beauty Weightless Liquid Mineral Sunscreen. This has SPF 30 in it, and what I love about this product is that it does have a tint, so you can twist this off and it has a little bit of a tint in there, which is really nice. I did get that Drunk Elephant one that I used to use all the time, and I've actually raved about it before, and I miss it. I was like, where the heck did mine go? So I repurchased that actually the other day. I'm excited excited for that to come in. But I have been loving this. It's just easy, simple, something to throw on your skin, head out the door. Have a little bit of a tint to your skin. It doesn't necessarily give you a ton of color. This would definitely give you more if you're okay with like a serum tint. This doesn't need powder. If I put this on, I definitely have to set it with something because I'm looking like, I don't know, like I just got out of the pool and like I haven't dried my face and it's so greasy. I love this one so much. Really good product. If you just want an easy everyday sunscreen for your skin. For the body, I've mentioned this a few times, but I feel like it needs to be in a favorites video because I haven't had it in one. It's the KKW Skin Perfecting Body Foundation in Tan. Mine is gross. But this is so good if you just need something quick to even out your tan, to make you tan. It's just beautiful and it really does even out the skin so amazing. I also did get the shimmering one, but I haven't tried it yet. I think I got the one bronze. But the body foundations are great. I use them on my chest, my legs, and they're great for events, anything like that. Moving forward, I have been using a new exfoliator. I've actually been using this a long time. It's the Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash, and I love this. First off, it smells really good and it feels really good. It's great for sensitive skin as well, and it does exfoliate my skin nicely. So what I like to do is kind of like keep my face out of the water for just a couple minutes before I apply this. I feel like if it's a little bit drier, it has a little bit more grit. So not super dry skin, but you know, like not soaking wet. When you're just under the shower, come out, you know, give it a few minutes and then put it on. I feel like it just has good grit, gets that dead skin off, really exfoliates nicely, and I've just been enjoying it for the past few months. I don't think I've even mentioned it to you guys, but Fresh is one of my favorite brands for skincare. I use their soy face cleanser every single day, and I've used it for how long? I don't even know how long, for forever now. So one of my favorite brands. I love them. Speaking of them, I am just going to quickly shout out their new Rose Petal Soft Lip Cream. This is a new product. I just realized I had eyelash on my face and I'm so sorry. Oh, it's so annoying. I love anything rose. This is not a strong rose scent. I do want to mention that. It's not a strong rose, but this is so nice on your lips. It's very moisturizing. I apply this every night before bed. And if I'm not doing lip products or like a full face of makeup, I will apply this in the daytime as well. It's just a great moisturizing lip balm. I love this one so much. I think it feels really good and I can feel this into the morning as well. So love Fresh. They always have such good stuff. Next up is another product I've been using for a really long time. It's the Brazilian Nude Cream, and this is their lotion. This is a great body lotion for the daytime. It's moisturizing, but it's not overly moisturizing to where you're like gonna stick to chairs and stuff like that. It is so nice. I love it. If you don't like feeling super sticky from lotion, this is the way to go. You can see I've used a lot of it. I need to buy another one too. And it does not have a scent. It's unscented, which I love that for a daytime moisturizer. I do not like scented moisturizers for the daytime. If I'm putting on perfume, doing whatever, I feel like it all just clashes and it's just a mess. This is awesome. I love this brand as well. I think they're great. So definitely check this out. I don't know if I've seen anybody talk about this, but it's really good. Next up is a body wash. It's kind of random, but I got it forever ago and I've been using it, and I've experimented with different body washes, and this one is my favorite. I think I experimented with the Way body wash and then also the Method from Target. It's like the coconut one, which that one doesn't work for me. For some reason, it makes me have BO. It's so weird. This is great. It's the Soap and Glory Clean Hydrating Body Wash. This is what it looks like. This is a giant bottle. I still have about an inch of it left, and it smells good. It smells like coconut, but it is very hydrating, and I love that about it, and it just makes you smell so good. Soap and Glory can be a little overwhelming, but this one is perfectly fine. Oh, even when you get out of the shower, it's not too overpowering. You know what I mean? Like, you don't smell like straight up coconut with this, but I love the fact that it is very moisturizing. I think it's always hard to find a good moisturizing body wash. This one's great. So I have one more skincare product, and then I have two tools that you have to try. The next one is this Prima Night Magic Hemp CBD Intensive Face Oil. I've been applying this to my skin every night. It doesn't look like it. I've been applying it every night, and I wake up in the morning with plump, great skin. I would never apply this in the daytime because my makeup would be everywhere and my skin would just be so greasy, but this is so good to just moisturize and really plump up the skin. It just makes my skin feel great. I love it. And it says, after cleansing, massage 4 to 5 drops onto face and neck, layer or use alone. To experience the full magic, use nightly and apply to damp skin to help block in moisture. Definitely think it helps with moisture. I think it's so nice. This is an expensive product, but it's the only face oil that I've found that I really like that doesn't break me out. So love this one. And then for tools, I have gotten these in PR so many times and I've just donated them and gave them away. I don't know why. And this time around, I bought one and I was like, why the hell do I keep giving these away? I love them. This is there's so many of these out on the market, but this is the Beauty Bio face roller. You have the big end and you have the small end. I love using the small end here under my eyes, on my nose, and then I use the big end obviously all over my face. I really feel like it helps depuff my face and really just bring out the high point features that I want with how you roll it and stuff. I did look up YouTube videos on how to roll your face because I was like, how the heck am I gonna do this? And I enjoy the experience. You know, it's like very cooling and feels great. I don't put it in a fridge and it's still nice and cool. So I love that because I don't have the time to be putting it in my fridge and going and getting it. I don't care. I don't care about that. But these do have a nice cooling sensation, and I love this smaller one for underneath my eyes and like around the ends of my eyes because I don't want crow's feet, so I just massage it out a little bit, and I really, really like it. I think this really amps up your skincare routine, and like I said, it does help depuff for sure. So you can use it day and night. Sometimes I use it more at night, but you can definitely use it in the morning to like amp up your features as well. This product has got to be one of my favorite products I've ever gotten. This is perfect. You know how many times I've searched for a product like this? It is a foot grater. Now let me tell you, this is not your average foot grater. Not the one you get at Walgreens, not the one you get at CVS, Ulta, no. This is legit. I was so excited to find this on Amazon. This gets all that dead skin off, and with not going and getting pedis regularly, I mean, my toenails are not quite there yet, but my feet are super soft, and like I can maintain nice soft feet with this. That's like the main reason why I would love to go get pedis, is so they could exfoliate my feet and like everything would be beautiful and soft like a baby's tush. Now you can do that at home. If you're gonna use this, I would say use it once a week. I wouldn't use it more than that because it does take off that skin, and if you have really dry, coarse feet in certain areas, then you're going to exfoliate it, but it's going to take a little bit longer to get all of that kind of smooth again. So don't think you should take this and like grade the crap out of your feet and then you have like red raw feet. Don't do that. Use it once a week, use it lightly. You know, it comes with directions and stuff too, so read that. But I love this. I think it's really great. It's not expensive, and it's better than anything I've ever tried from like the drugstore. You know what I mean? Like I've gotten all of those foot things, and this is it. This is the one. I think I got the most excited about a foot exfoliator, but that's just the realness of this. Okay, that's the tea on everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I showed something that you would want to try. Let me know down below in the comments what you're most excited to test out from this video, and I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.